Blue Tansy, also called Moroccan chamomile, has a surprisingly sweet scent, making it ideal for applications in skincare products and skin therapies. Blue Tansy contains the active Chamazulene, best known for its skincare properties and as an anti-inflammatory agent. It has been credited by aromatherapists as being antihistamine and antispasmodic. Blue Tansy is also excellent for reducing the effects of allergic reactions, asthma, and other skin allergies. This oil induces relaxation, reduces nervous tension and stress, and has hormone-like action stimulating the thymus gland. Blue Tansy reduces fevers, treats colds and other respiratory infections by boosting the immune system. It supports the balance of white blood cell production and may be helpful for leukemia, and it nourishes the spleen. This oil is fabulous for the treatment of sprains, rheumatism, arthritis, and sciatica. It helps to stabilize blood sugar, eliminate bruises, itching, rashes, cysts, and reduces blood pressure. Its therapeutic properties include anthelmintic, firmifuge, carminative, digestive, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antispasmodic, anti-allergic, antihistamine, febrifuge, diaphoretic, stimulant, tonic, antipyretic, emmenagogue, and hypotensive. Special attention should be given to its blue color, as it may change cream or lotions. Blue Tansy essential oil is generally non-irritating and non-toxic. Avoid use during pregnancy. Blue Tansy is a middle note.